One bandit leader don't come outside talk say make President Muhammad Buhari personally follow and talk about the insecurity where they happen for this country. This leader in talk this thing inside Hausa language and in talk say these Fulani headers say they don't even they subjected to humiliation, suffering and neglect. Say they don't even leave them. Say for the past years, this one where they even happen since 1999. Say now so all this democratic government they just leave them. They leave them make they suffer. Now make them say they can't decide say okay now as people don't leave them make they suffer. Make themselves decide to they carry gun. Make now watch the video of how this interview take go.
Dalilin daukan bindigar nan mu makiyaya ne. Kasan nan tana da mai tana da komi tana da arzikin komi ba a yi da mu ba mu da karatu ba mu san komi ba mu da tsaro ba abun da ake muna mu ake kashewa kuma mu ne ake ba da labari mu muke kashewa. Kaga wannan sannan ba mu da wani abu mu duka kabilan makiyaya duk inda makiyaya yake bai da karatu bai da wani abu kasar ga akwai komi ana yi mu ba a yi da mu ba a san ma an yi mu ba kashewa ne ko za a yi ka dauka ko guda bai yi ba in suna so alƙawulan da suka dauka yanda suke daukan diyansu su sa su aikin gwamnati su sa su karatu dawo haka mu da bahaushe da bahillaje da bayorube su zama ɗaya shugaban ƙasa ya fito ya taka kafafun shi da kanshi ya zo ya yi zaman nan ai da ake siyasa shi yana shiga ko ina amma yanzu bai shiga cikin sulhun nan bai maida shi komi ba kuma kullum mutum ne ake kashe ba irin da ba a kashe mutum Zamfara Naija Kaduna babu ini Sokoto Katsina ba a ini biyu ba a kashe mutum ba.
And I don't hear wetin this man talk. Him talk say the entire wealth wey dey for this Nigeria. In fact, they know they share am between them wey be nomads. For people wey no know wetin nomads be, wey no go school like me, the thing means say people wey dey move from one place to another. That means they no get one certain house where they stay. I can't dey wonder you wey come as I talk say Buhari no dey give una all this thing. How they want to give una this thing when una no dey stay for one place? Shebi na if na stay for this place, we go come talk say okay, yes, so this place now na one community, abi na one kind village. Okay, we won't do this one for this place. But today, on a day for here, tomorrow on a day for there. On a come say na they find best way go they give na this thing. But me as I see him, I know say this one go feel work because now on a come no they stay for one place. But as the man talk am, he say if na look and where na go notice say most of these headsmen, most of them they be illiterate. They know they go school. Say government go just leave them make them they hungry. They don't even they care about them. And in fact, remember when Buhari come out and say this man won't be president, say this man walk up and down, can't do campaign. So now why we say Buhari no fit come meet them, follow them, negotiate, talk this whole matter, make the whole thing end. Now waiting this man come outside they talk, say if you even see yourself, say as the thing they start. Say they get negotiation with government, but as the matter come be government can't leave them, make they dey inside forest, they live their life. Now there them say they come vex, think and say why government go they do them like this after which they don't help this Buhari? This man talk say they help Buhari. Say in fact, all the promises where Buhari make, say Buhari no even fulfill one for them. And he suppose say they want equal treatment. See as Nigeria they treat them Yoruba people, Hausa people, make they treat themselves Fulani like that. I can't they wonder, making an even surprise say people who even there for this Nigeria, they know they even get any special treatment. So I don't know which kind of treatment now on account they come outside they talk about. Because this headsmen now, I can't even say how they interview these people. That means all this whole matter where they happen for Nigeria, they're nowhere than these headsmen they. Because for them to carry mic, carry camera, they're nowhere these people there now. So at this point, what's it make them no arrest these people? We say they still even grant them interview. In fact, Nigerians now we they do ourselves because as it be like this, governments know what thing they happen. Now, this whole man, the thing where this man they talk in total now, make Buhari personally come follow them talk. See, as the man they travel all those people, they follow, so they support Buhari. Say they really support them. They follow and they just say Buhari, say Buhari. Now everything done pause finish. Buhari come do like say, he don't even know them. He don't even want to like say they do business together. Say this one now, Buhari must come aside. Say and as he no come aside, they don't see and say, he no take them seriously. So if say Buhari take them serious, if I don't come out and maybe can't give one press release about them, so okay, making a no vex. So say themselves they need jobs. How come they want the person when no go school? Which work you want can they do? I been a tailor work, I been a the headers work, now you still want they do. Because I don't understand which kind of work they want can give you. As I talk say most of you be illiterate. The only thing we know is how to hold gun. So which work wan give? Abi they were giving a work on how to dey assemble gun. That one na military work na they no go fit give una. But I feel say the best way Buhari go fit do, my uncle, that they beg una. Abeg go settle them your boys. Because these people now una people na a family member. You know them one to one. This one now they won't follow you do family reunion. They won't follow you talk matter hand to hand. So the best thing now, you where you know where you put them, these people, find them, come outside, follow them, discuss this whole matter, make everything end. Make we get peace and security for our country. Because the way things they go, people don't even tell, people don't they run come out from the country. People they even fear self now to even enter Nigeria because of all this whole matter. But this man don't come outside, it means say this man self don't ready to settle. And this one self not just one settle, and no be the oga of the whole bandits for the whole of Nigeria, be not just one group of bandits, and be this one. But as be abeg, listen to their cry. Do this family meeting with them, make everything resolve and make everything settle. My people na this one here I want say make I bring and come for na, make na self use na ear hear wetin dey happen. Make na no forget to like, share and also subscribe. See that bell waiting for there. Make na subscribe to am. Then I go to see you now for our next video. This one na update about the Fulani headsmen where they fight go scatter somewhere for Oyo State. This one will happen for Igongon. All of us remember when one brother come outside dey para say what go happen, say things go happen. True, something don't happen. Oh, hey people, people get mind. The kind thing will even happen una go surprise. Make una watch the video.
We came here to come and inspect. So on our way, we stopped by at the Barapa North local government, Ayete. So this is some of the Fulani that was caught, and there were at least àwọn Yorùbá wa náà face wọn, so wọ́n ní láti mú wọn balẹ̀. Ọdún àwọn náà ṣe tiwọn náà, but èyí túmọ̀ sí pé gbogbo ẹ̀yin warriors tẹ́ bá jẹ́ Yorùbá níta nílé lẹ́yìn odi ẹ má fi gbogbo ara sùn. Ẹ̀yin sọ pé kò tí dé yàrá, kò tí dé ẹnu ọ̀nà yín, kò tí dé ẹnu ọ̀nà yín, àwọn kan ní eléyìí ṣẹlẹ̀ sí lánàá. Tó máa fi súnmọ́ tó máa mú wá fún yín tá bá ti wọnú kíní lọ nsìn gangan. Ayé tẹ̀lá wà nsìn àmọ́ máa wọnú gangan. So nìyẹn. Thank you.
On as they don't kill them, these Fulani headsmen. Then these Yoruba people are then this warrior, they don't come out prepared. On a yes, the man they shout that time say, war go happen, war go happen. This kind of war don't happen, no. But who can't kill them? These headsmen now, we don't know. And the people for the land, they complain, say, these headsmen, their own don't too. So sometimes, they go break inside people's house. You feel they sleep like this, they sleep, they snore. They enjoy your peaceful sleep. Some will just break, enter inside your house. And this one, nobody say they won't even contif you. They go just use cutlass, kill you. In fact, if you there for road, now gone. Now they use. Hey, people, you go just the person not do you anything. You just carry gun. Say you want they shoot. Why? Now Mortal Kombat game now we they play for this life. I be waiting they even happen. Anyway, as this matter be now, so people just they say this people just come. They kick. I no come know when people say come go gather. Go meet them because they don't say these headsmen they come. They plenty say they carry boss and Okada come. If like say that these Yoruba people say they don't go via juju, they don't ready. Say as now they come, we ready for now. Back to the sender as the whole thing happen. Now they catch some people, they kill them. Who can't kill them now? We don't know. And we know someone they complain about this thing. Say make una know they put love on our own hand. No matter what these people do, as now don't catch them, at least make una keep them. Go report them to police. But one of this man for this video, what's in the talk now say the last time they catch some people, say 47 people. These people hold gun and things. Say after they catch them, when they gonna carry them go this same police station. Say last, what's it gonna happen now? They release them, these people, with even the gun. No? Hey! Now wow, police. So they release them with the gun. I can't they want what thing are they release them for? If say a person thief ordinary tomato, I be pine itself, they go arrest you, put inside. Now, this ones will carry gun, shoot people. Then they can't leave them. When no be even one person, 47 people. Now get this man when they complain, they vex say, it be like say government know what thing they happen. Say for them to release these 47 people, they know about them because you know they normal. Person go thief, ordinary thief say they go arrest you, keep you. Doctors will say you can't keep us. If you keep us, they go kill you self join. So what can be the release of these people where they release them for? That means when they go outside, go see the kill people. Nigeria, it be like say something they worry everybody. All of us supposed sit down, think maybe they go wash our brain with hypo, clean and first before everybody will one day okay. Because the way where people they do things, but this Yoruba people say, more we talking now. On our face go face them say, on ourself now they fight for our right but this one when I don't kill this person. It don't turn to wahala now because sooner or later they go to find people who kill this people and on ourself when I kill this person, they feel kill on her. I na one come plan to do am. And now they try defending herself, but now here government self supposed come outside. These people they don't they complain, they shout on government, say make government come help them. Say the killing don't they too much. Say as they go kill the KBC, the even king house, they destroy everything. But still government no come outside, can't do anything. They tell say that they work on them. That they work on them. So they boys don't come outside. People don't come outside, people don't vex. Even this person they record it in the advice people say, make them know they sleep with their ear, make everybody they prepared. If na pepper spray, if na gun, make everybody go buy them. They garant. Because anytime, now this Fulani headsmen they come outside though. And as it be, this one always say they don't even kill some of their men. Before we go see now, we go here say all the old headsmen people don't come outside, won't come attack all these Yoruba people. Making a day vigilant, making a day ready. Because this kind of matter, bless the thing don't they really turn into war as this man talk. People they vex, people they even para. Now what they annoy me? People they para. But I know they in support of all this violence as they kill these people. It no sweet me. But at least making a just go report. But now they fear say if na report, maybe government no go do anything. Now waiting be everybody matter. Even yourself will call this police say, police so they don't kill. You go suppose say they go even carry yourself, pack you join them the thief, where you don't even know anything. Now I make people they fear, but as the matter be, I don't know. Anything where government want to make him try. Help support them. Help support them because the wahala don't do too much. And now until they go kill everybody where they inside this go. Before government go come and say they won't come do something. And make this government even go sympathize with them, these families where they don't even kill their people. Because they say they don't kill more than 25 people, more than 25. And see the people with them, they even kill them, they never even reach 5. And they don't they para, they don't they complain. People they government they complain, say what make they kill them. They know what that they see and make they kill these people. Anyway, as this matter be, now here I go end them anything way in a feel, making a right time for the comment section. Then make now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as we get hot story for now. Anyways, I will see you on for our next video.